So man, it's pretty crazy like how many electric vehicles there are on the roads these days. I'm seeing more and more of them on the road, seeing more of them at chargers over here in parking lots, seeing them in magazines, in my news feed. I mean, it seems like they're all over the place.
Yeah, but the EV market's kind of a bummer for me.
I mean, come on, man. I mean, what's a bummer about it?
It's not motorsporty. It's not car stuff. It's electric. It's a hairdryer.
Did you just say motorsporty?
Yeah, that's a word. Motorsporty.
See, I think you're thinking about it all the wrong way. I mean, it's a hairdryer that does 0 to 60 in 3.1 seconds, tops out at over 160 miles an hour.
Yeah, fast is cool. I'm into fast. But like I said, we're gearheads, Brian. I want to work on stuff. I want to take it apart and make it not work again. You know, with that, you don't do anything. Your software update, that's it.
No, I get it, but I think you're looking in all the wrong places. So, you know, there's lots of things you can do to it. You know, there's suspension work, there's brake works. I mean, people are taking these things out to track days all the time. So, but I think I got a surprise for you.
What kind of surprise do you got?
Well, it's not just a Model 3, which is like the coolest, you know, EV out there, but now this thing is even a step better. It's the Summit Racing Project Model 3. Oh yeah.
You have my attention, good sir.
All right. Let's do this.
Okay.
All right. Wake up, man. Wake up. You got work to do. You like dozed off, man. You got the lights turned off in here.
Okay. You will not believe the dream I just had.
Hey, what? Like what kind of dream?
Oh, about electric cars and stuff. Like we were gonna build one.